isn't it? Because I got complained that now again you have started skipping your breakfast, you are not taking your lunch in time and all that. Please, as I told you, the winter season has already approached. It's really very cold outside. To keep yourself warm, you should have proper healthy diet and eat it at proper time also. जब आप टाइमली खाना खाओगे, हेल्दी खाना खाओगे, your body will be able to keep itself warm. अपने आप को गर्म रख पाओगे and not only that, please wear proper woolen clothes, cap, gloves, socks, everything. I have listened lot of complaints. मैम ये कैप नहीं पहनता है, आपकी बात मानता है, आप बोलो. So please, I'm requesting every one of you to wear your cap, gloves, and your socks, and proper woolen clothes which Mama is giving you to wear. Okay? Because she is caring for you. She loves you, so she is saying that. बीमार हो जाओगे, unnecessarily medicines खानी पड़ेंगी, isn't it? Okay, so please listen to your parents properly. Now class, it's time to begin with our today's work. So what we are going to do today? It's your today's your which class? First tell me what is the day? Tuesday, yes. So today is 22nd December 2020 and day by day we are moving towards Christmas और Christmas के बाद New Year, yes. So coming Friday Christmas है और उसके बिल्कुल 5 days, 6 days के बाद we are going to have a New Year, isn't it? और एक नया साल शुरू होगा with something more excitement, with something really new to come for us all, isn't? So class, on Tuesday we have our English class, and what we are learning in English? We are learning about alphabets, their sounds and cursive formation. Very good. तो अब आपको पता है कि what we are going to do today. हमने alphabet सीखने हैं, उनकी sounds समझनी है, उनकी formation समझनी है, isn't it? But before moving towards that, कौन सा alphabet करना है? You are going to tell me which alphabet we are going to do. Yes, can anyone tell me that? Okay, let's find out by identifying the pictures. Pictures ही एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है to identify which letter we are going to learn today. So I have drawn different type of pictures, but these pictures are beginning with the same alphabet. So what is that alphabet? You are going to tell me. Okay, let's begin with the work. So now, let us start identifying these pictures. Can anyone tell me who is this? Come on fast. Can anyone tell me who's it? It's a... While you were sharing your videos, one of you said tortoise. It's not tortoise, it's tortoise. What it is? Tortoise. It's not tortoise. It's a tortoise. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what these tortoise have here? Tortoise के ऊपर क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me that? एक shell होता है, hard वाला shell. और ये hard shell क्या करता है? This hard shell it protect them from different other things that can harm them. ये इतना hard होता है कि अगर आप इस पे मारोगे इट विल नॉट ब्रेक. यस, ये इतना हार्ड होता है, इस पे मारने से भी नहीं टूटता ये. सो दिस हार्ड शेल प्रोटेक्ट दिस टॉर्टोइज और टॉर्टोडॉइज. किसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है ये? यस, टेल मी फास्ट, इज इट अ टॉर्टोइज और टॉर्टोडॉइज? इट्स अ टॉर्टोइज. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ मूविंग अहेड. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस? आहा, टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार. एक दिन उसको पतलू ने खाया, मोटू को भी मार भगाया. तो हमने कौन से वेजिटेबल की बात करी? टमाटर की बात करी है हमने. यस, टमाटर की. तो अब बताओ, इस टमाटर को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? What do you call it? We call it tomato. Yes. So again, let's move tomato. Tomato. Now, next is every time I say wash your hands, isn't it? Wash your hands, wash your hands. अब wash तो कर रहे हैं, but how we wash our hands? We use soap and water to wash our hands. But ये water आता कहाँ से है? From where we get this water? ये क्या use करना पड़ता है to get water? Tap. Very good. So again we got a word tap. Now see, we have tap, we have tomato. What is this? It's a tree. Very good. Now कुछ चीजों के लिए you are very much familiar. So it's a tree. Then we have morning में सुबह सुबह उठ के मम्मा बोलती है करना होता है, क्या है मम्मा? नहीं करना है। क्या करते हो आप? ये ब्रश। वेरी गुड। ब्रश तो करते हैं, लेकिन वो कौन सा ब्रश होता है? टूथब्रश। यस, टूथब्रश। देन वी हैव टूथपेस्ट। टूथब्रश में क्या लगाते हैं? टूथपेस्ट। और हम क्लीन क्या करते हैं? टीथ। टूथ एक होता है, टीथ सब होते हैं, तो हम क्या क्लीन करते हैं? टीथ क्लीन करते हैं फ्रॉम टूथब्रश, टूथपेस्ट। सो व्हाट आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर? टूथपेस्ट। We have toothbrush for this. We apply toothpaste on toothbrush and then we brush our teeth. Isn't it? हम अपने टीथ को ब्रश करके क्लीन करते हैं। Next we have is लट्टू। लट्टू। लट्टू, ये लट्टू कहाँ से आ गया? लट्टू तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं, ल से लट्टू। So what we call it in English? It's a top. Yes, what we call it? Top. Now, what is this? आपको पता है, जब हम कभी घूमने जाते हैं मम्मी पापा के साथ, या मम्मी पापा जब फ्रेंड्स के साथ, या पापा को कभी ऑफिस की वजह से बाहर जाना पड़ता है एंड वी डोंट हैव, वहाँ पे कोई होटल नहीं होता, रेस्टोरेंट नहीं होता है, और वो बहुत हिली एरिया होता है, बहुत फॉरेस्ट एरिया होता है, तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है? वहाँ पे रहने के लिए, रात को सोने के लिए यू हैव टू यूज दिस and we call it tent. What we call it? Tent. तो कैंपिंग करते हैं, वहाँ पे आग जला के इस तरह से टेंट्स लगा के रहते हैं and we enjoy that also. It's like a picnic or you can say a trip. So whenever we are going out for camping somewhere, तो हम कहाँ पे रुकते हैं? We stay in a tent. So what we call it? We call it a tent. Clear? Now let us revise. Yes, we are left with this. What is it? Can anyone tell me? I am a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Lift me up and pour me out. You remember this, right? Yes? Then tell me, who's this? What is this? Sorry, not who's this. What is this? Come on, tell me fast, class. It's a teapot. Very good. You remember that. So, जब teapot आया, तो we are going to write it T. Teapot. Now, some more things we have. Morning में you must have seen when we have our breakfast, Mama रोस्ट द ब्रेड स्लाइस। जो ब्रेड स्लाइस होती है, मम्मा उसको क्या करते हैं? रोस्ट कर देते हैं। Either we use a toaster for it or we can roast it on the stove or on a griller, isn't it? तो जब वो ब्रेड स्लाइस को हम रोस्ट कर देते हैं, उसको हम सेक देते हैं। इन जनरल लैंग्वेज वी कॉल ना ब्रेड को सेकना। So when we roast that bread slice, वो क्या बन जाती है? वो क्रिस्पी क्रिस्पी हो जाती है, isn't it? और जब वो क्रिस्पी क्रिस्पी हो जाती है, तो फिर हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? We call it a toast. Yes, what we call it? We call it a toast. ठीक है, toast क्या हो गया? The crispy bread slice, जिस पे then we apply butter or we apply jam or anything else that we like, then we have it. Clear? So another word we have is toast. Now if you will look all these names that I have written, they are beginning with same alphabet. Can you tell me which is that alphabet here we have? Yes class? We have tree, tap, tomato, teapot, toothpaste, tortoise, tap, pen. So what is that alphabet we are talking about? T. Yes. So you all have identified your alphabet. So we are talking about alphabet T. Isn't it? How we write this? In the capital form, using the top 3 lines. First, second, third. जो 4 line में जो ऊपर की 3 lines होती हैं, we use that, and this is how we write capital T. Isn't it? Great. Now, let us move ahead and understand the sound of this alphabet. What is the sound? So, we are going to repeat these names once again. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इन सारे पिक्चर्स के जो नेम लिखे हैं, we are going to repeat them slowly and understand कि when we are speaking them, जब हम इन्हें बोल रहे हैं, which is the first sound coming to you? आपको पहली साउंड कौन सी आती है? You have to tell me that. Clear? So moving to the first picture. Tree. Tree. Tap. Say with me. Tap. Tree. Tomato. Tomato. Teapot. Tea. Tortoise. Tortoise. Toothpaste. We have toast. Top. Tent. Then we have table. Isn't it? Table पे हम काम करते हैं. We have table. Then we have anything else you can say? Tiger, national animal of our country. Isn't it? We have tiger. Then we have tie. What is a tie? When Papa is going out for some party or is going to office, he wear a suit and he put something here. Necktie. Neck पे वो शर्ट के कॉलर के नीचे लगाते हैं. दीदी भैया स्कूल जाते हैं तो वो भी लगाते हैं. So that is a necktie जिसको हम यहाँ लगाते हैं to complete our dress. It is basically an accessories. तो उसको लगा के it completes the look. So tie. Isn't it? That is also beginning with alphabet T. Then we have tissue. अब जब hand wash करते हैं या अपना face wipe करते हैं, what do you need? You need a tissue. Then toys. The favorite thing of yours. आपको खेलने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Toys. So if we are talking about toys, then we have tissue. Isn't it? All these pictures वो कहाँ से begin हो रही है? What is the sound coming out? The first sound. Can you tell me what is the first sound coming? Tree, tomato, teapot, toothpaste, tap, toys. The sound is coming? तो very good. तो आपको अब इसकी sound पता लगी? What is the sound? T says t. T, t, top. T, tent. T, table. T, toast. T, tiger. We have T, tissue. T, toys. T, toothpaste. T, tomato. पिक्चर और ऑब्जेक्ट्स. फर्स्ट साउंड इज टी, या आगे भी लास्ट में कहीं टी आ रहा है तो व्हाट साउंड विल कम आउट? ट. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ मूविंग हाउ टू राइट दिस लेटर इन कर्सिव फॉर्मेट. ये देखिए लोअर ब्लू लाइन से ही बिगिन होगा ये अल्फाबेट एंड इट इज वेरी इजी टू राइट आल्सो. जस्ट आपको एक बार ध्यान से देखना है. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, ये अल्फाबेट ऊपर की तीनों लाइंस को टच करेगा कैपिटल की ही तरह. क्लियर? नीचे वाली लाइन को नहीं टच करना. लाइक कैपिटल लेटर इट विल टच द थ्री लाइंस. हाउ? यहां से बिगिन करके ऊपर जाना है, सेम लाइन के नीचे आके बस थोड़ा सा इसकी लेग निकालनी है और जो ऊपर वाली रेड और फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है उसके सेंटर में जितना हिस्सा है उसमें आपको ये स्लीपिंग लाइन लगाना है. इज दैट क्लियर? दिस इज योर टो. सी अगेन, गो अप, कम डाउन एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन. अगर आप ये ऐसे बना रहे हो तो ये रॉन्ग है. दिस इज एल. आप एल को यहां से कट कर रहे हो. ये लूप नहीं आना चाहिए. ये जो स्पेस है ये नहीं दिखनी चाहिए. दिस इज रॉन्ग. क्लियर? यू विल नॉट राइट इट लाइक दिस. टी जो होता है उसमें गैप नहीं आता. गो अप, कम डाउन, वो नीचे आके ही अलग होती है उसकी दोनों लेग्स. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? लेट्स राइट वंस अगेन. गो अप, come down and make a different leg. ऐसे स्टार्ट करिए और फिर उसको दूसरा लेग दे दो ताकि वो आराम से खड़ा हो दो लेग्स पे. Go up, come down and like this. Understood? This is how you will write your cursive alphabet T and the sound is T. Okay? Now, what is the work in the book today? So today you are going to do your page number 48 and 49. Clear? I'll write here book page number 48 and 49. So these two are your classwork and homework is, I'll tell you what to do. Okay? So now let's see how we are going to write alphabet T, the sound T in our notebook. Clear? So first we are going to write today's date. Yes. What is the date today? 22nd December. So we are going to write that 22nd December 2020. ठीक है? After writing the date, we will write HW. Understood? Classwork तो book में करना है and in homework we are going to do the work in notebook. So write HW here. Now T, T. What is the sound? T. T, tree. T, tomato. T, tie. Not only this, we have also learned about so many other objects. You can draw any object that you want to draw. Clear? Okay. Now just see carefully. Have a closer look how we are going to write alphabet T. So can you see these dots I have drawn on the lower blue line? You have to begin from here. ठीक है? Now see how we are going to do that. Keep your pencil here. Now let's go up. Touch the red line, come back and like this. आपको सेम लाइन पे वापस आके बस नीचे से थोड़ा सा हटना है उससे. क्लियर? अप, डाउन, लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज योर कर्सिव अल्फाबेट T एंड मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि ये ऊपर जो है रेड लाइन पे टच करेगा और जो आपको इसकी स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है वो रेड लाइन और ब्लू लाइन के बीच में बनानी है, बिल्कुल सेंटर में. क्लियर? सी वंस अगेन like this. Once again have a look. So this is how you will write your cursive alphabet T in notebook. when you are given these 4-line patterns. Is that clear to everyone? Like this, you will practice writing your cursive alphabet. T, tomato. Then say again. T, tree. T, tent. T, tie. T, tortoise. T, yes, T. Come on. There are so many objects. Tap. Very good. So tap में से क्या आता है? Water. T, tissue. We wipe our hands and face with tissue. So T, tissue. Then we have T, tooth. Then we have T, toothpaste. We have T, toothbrush. Isn't it? Then T, toes. आपके सबके पास toes है ना? Yes. Then we have T, teapot. T, top. Top means lattu. Yes. Then we have T, telephone. So mobile is without wire and telephone is the one which is attached to the wire. Very good. Then we have T, telescope. Isn't it? There are so many objects with alphabet T and the sound is T. Clear? So you have to finish it. Last 2 lines for you to practice little more. Now moving to the next is, as usual, we are going to practice A to T. A to T. Clear? But this is your tomorrow's homework. So I am going to write here tomorrow's date. Understood? ये कल करना है आपको. Don't do it today only. This is for tomorrow's practice. Let's begin. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O. Then next we have is P, Q, R, S, T. Clear? Let's see whether we have written it correct. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So you can check your work like this, but whenever you are writing your sequence cursive A to Z or till which letter we have done, always say the sounds while writing. So like this you will be familiar with the sounds also. Clear, class? So class, you all must have understood how to do your work today. Classwork to be done in the book, homework to be done in the notebook. T for today, that means T, not T, T. You have to practice T in your English notebook today and A to T tomorrow. Clear? Finish your work and get ready for the next class. Take care.